How to install and set up Termux. Open Chrome. Now search here Termux F-Droid. Tap on first site. Now scroll down. Tap on Download APK button. Now Termux APK downloading has started. Once the download is complete, tap here. Termux is installed. Now remove all background apps and open it. Type apt update and press enter. Now type apt upgrade. Press Y. Press Y. Press Y. Type clear and press enter. Now type Termux setup storage for storage permission. Tap here and go back. Now setup is complete and we are ready to install any tool. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to see more. If you have any question, please comment below.